Man, it's good stuff.
This is good stuff.
I love it.
I'm just
Loving
vibing.
life.
Vibing in the 69 Chevelle.
Vibing. Man, sounds good. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a really, really nice, unrestored 1969 Chevelle. This is an SS 396 big block. This is Carolina blue. Now you're probably saying to yourself, myself, 1969 Chevelles didn't come in Carolina blue. You'd be right. But if you had 50, that's right, $50, you could get Carolina blue put on this car. It was a Buick Riviera color, but they wanted it Carolina blue because this is a North Carolina car. North Carolina, home of the Tar Heels, of course. If you know Michael Jordan, then you know who the hell the Tar Heels are. Anywho, beautiful car, black vinyl top, 396, air conditioning, automatic. Let's see, what else does it have? Look at this beautiful trunk. Special order Carolina blue, 98% of the paint is original, 100% of the sheet metal is. Sold new in North Carolina. Loaded with options, 400 automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear, F41 suspension, 14-inch SS style wheels. It's awesome. This is just a great car. It's got an 8-track player, and ladies and gentlemen, we have an 8-track to go in it.
Yes, we do.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna be singing because I think since it's the show tunes, we won't get in trouble for it on the beautiful YouTubes.
Yeah, it's like a movie set playlist 8-track. I don't even know where I got it from.
It's also
I think
exciting.
it's just instrumentals, but yeah, this car is amazing. The interior is in great condition.
Buckets.
Bucket seats, of course, black interior, matched with black vinyl top, looks absolutely awesome.
Stunning.
There's our 8-track player down there with the 8-track in it.
I can't wait for that.
Nice wooden steering wheel, lovely seats. There's no tears or cracks or really anything in the interior. Very well kept.
Very well.
Gorgeous color. You want to pop the hood for us?
So the hood popper is right down here, and it's a huge metal bar. Nice.
You got to hold the metal bar as you open the hood. There's no secondary latch. Yeah, you got to squeeze your fingers under there.
My fat fingers, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go.
There's the big block for you, 396, AC compressor. Look at it, it's a beaut.
Yeah, air conditioning.
Power brakes,
That's great.
396, about 340 horse back in the day. Beautiful car, beautiful. We should probably hear it rev up, shouldn't we?
I would like that very much so.
I knew you would. Shall we?
Let's do it. Use your mic, good sir.
Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome. And I'm hopping in to a beautiful 69 Chevelle.
It is.
Oh, we gotta pop the 8-track in.
You have to.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is Mrs. Robinson.
This is Mrs. Robinson, the instrumental.
Yeah, it's an instrumental version. Oh my goodness.
Mrs. Robinson.
This is great.
Well, it's an 8-track player that works.
And you can switch the tracks.
Yes.
I don't know what this is.
Could be Laura.
That was on there.
It was on there. It could
Yeah,
be.
it could
This
be
is the
Laura.
only one I don't recognize.
But that over there is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. She can't hear us.
She works here. No, she can't. She's too far away. This thing's already pretty nice.
It is.
I'm
It's
enjoying
already
this.
nice.
This is nice music to go along with our drive.
It does. I've never noticed this before, and we've had this car a minute. Look at that RPM gauge. Look at all the stuff.
I know, we got a lot of gauges in this actually.
Got a ton of gauges. And did you see that?
Yeah, I was just about to say, we got a defogger.
Oh,
High and
rare.
low.
You're welcome.
We also have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. See what
This
else is
bad
on here.
boy's gonna smoke some tires.
Oh,
Ah. Smoking bandit.
That's
There's
Cody.
Cody, our good friend Cody.
he's one of our technicians.
He's good people. On me.
I don't even
YouTube,
care.
Don't strike us.
I don't even care if we get copyright struck for this video.
Dare they?
I'm having too much fun.
Butch Cassidy, a Sundance Kid.
Oh yeah,
That movie was phenomenal.
it was.
Hell, the fall is probably gonna kill us.
And we have like the coolest view ever out this window.
My God.
Big old blue hood with bulges in it and vents.
Huh.
What is this?
I don't know, but it's an epic one.
It is epic. All right, we're going through the roundabout epically.
Epically in a 396 big block.
This is Star Wars. Wait. No, it's not
It is
Star
not.
Wars.
Sounds like something out of Lawrence of Arabia.
It does. Or like a Western movie.
It's epic, is what
There
it
is
is.
Star Wars on here somewhere, though. I don't know where.
We'll find it.
We will find it. We'll try.
In the meantime, this big bad boy is awesome.
Yeah, this is driving like a dream. It's like a big couch.
It
We
is.
have bucket seats, though, not a bench.
Great buckets.
Nice horn.
No flappy gear paddles. Oh, good gravy. We don't have any bad droopy.
Sun visors.
Thank you.
That's what the word you were looking
Wow,
for.
I was just
But what
scrambling.
we do have is AC controls.
We do.
Because this car has air conditioning. See? AC. Fan controls there. It would do
God.
blow. We also have the radio down here, but we're not using it because we're using the 8-track player. It has its own volume knob and a tuner, a fader, and a bouncer.
Isn't that nice?
That's down there. We also have glove box over on my side that opens somehow. There we go. Look at all that room.
Tons of room.
It says SS 396 here on the dash. Astro ventilation.
Whoa.
Astro ventilation.
Astro.
That's fancy. This thing's cool.
This whole thing is fancy. This is one of the best.
And
Look at
because
these options.
this isn't a Chevelle color, but it was optioned back in the day.
Mhm.
This might be a one-of-one 69 Chevelle.
Too bad they don't have Marty reports for Chevys.
I know.
Because
But
boy, this is
I
a
can
real
tell you
diamond.
what, the color works.
It does.
This is
It
probably
does.
what I would have optioned too back in the day.
Absolutely.
This baby blue is absolutely gorgeous. We have back seats
For real people.
for real people. The legroom is actually pretty good.
A full-size Gary Sinise would have no issues.
Yes. But yeah, nicely upholstered, vinyl, I'm assuming.
The best vinyl around.
We got a nice headliner too, it's not droopy, dome light. We have the shoulder belts
We do.
strapped up here to the roof if you want to use them. You don't have to.
Do whatever you want.
This
What
is nice.
happy-go-lucky songs. Setting us at ease on our beautiful little bean test.
I know.
I love it, man. We should do this every time.
We should listen to movie soundtracks
I'm loving it.
on an 8-track in every car, although not every car is cool enough to have an 8-track player.
That's true.
This one is though.
Man, it's good stuff.
This is good stuff.
I love it.
I'm just
Loving
vibing.
life.
Vibing in the 69 Chevelle.
Vibing.
This is lovely.
Beautiful.
The speakers aren't bad either.
No.
This
This car rocks.
They work pretty good. Let's see, battery's working, oil pressure's good. We got gas. Temperature's not hot, but it is moving, so we know it works. Bean test time. Big block. Here we go. Oh wow. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Gotta slow down, folks.
Big block power right there.
Big block power.
It skirted the tires a little bit there.
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit.
We're not trying to burn the rubber off of these.
Heavens no.
We need you to have tread when you inevitably buy this gorgeous vehicle.
We're not giving you the 8-track though, that's ours.
No, well the 8-track player will be in
the
here.
8-track play, but the
But
8-track.
the 8-track is mine, yes.
We're keeping it.
I'm keeping that.
Wow.
It's like opera music.
It's like when the stage drives the car.
Yeah.
This music is great.
This is awesome. I
Oh,
think that was the
man.
end of a song.
Oh, something new starting.
This has been a wonderful experience.
Oh, it flipped the channels. Now we're gonna start the beginning.
What is this?
It's epic.
It is epic. Also,
love is a mini splendored thing.
Oh,
Love
there's
is
the
a mini-
ashtray.
Whoa!
doesn't look like there's ever been ash in there, so that's good. Nice.
This is also an airplane, the movie, which is great.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah, but this is not in that movie. This came from the actual movie, which is I think a love story with Ryan O'Neal. Love means never having to say you're sorry. I think that's the movie.
If you didn't know this about Chris, he's a movie buff. If you ask him anything about movies, he probably knows the answer to it.
60s, 70s, 80s, I kind of rock it out.
I don't understand how he keeps all of this in his memory, but not facts about cars.
I don't have anything else.
There's nothing else up there.
I know my kids.
It's too full of movies from the 60s, 70s, and 80s.
True.
Well, you ready to do flybys in this thing?
Let's do it. You got to keep the music going.
Yeah, I will. Let's do it.
I'll take your mic. Good God, I almost fell off in the snow. That's classic. Do it, baby. Oh, the snow's almost gone away, but it's still here. It's all gross looking. That car's not gross looking. Who's gonna throw a tar? Man, sounds good. There's our remnants of our snow. It's disgusting. Can't wait for it to go away and it'll be 70 degrees all the time. All right, here he comes. The old baby blue. Carolina blue. The lights work.
Good. You know, we were driving it pretty tame. I think it's because we were listening to classical movie music and it was kind of calming us down a little bit. But when you get on this thing, it scoots.
And it makes noise.
It's still a big block. Did it sound good?
Oh, God, did.
It's still a big block 396. You kind of forget about that when you're just floating along on the road in this beautiful Carolina blue 69 Chevelle. You do float. You don't
when
really
you hit it,
yeah,
you hit it.
you don't feel bumps in the road. You got nice comfy bucket seats. You got a working 8-track player, by God.
What else do you need?
And air conditioning.
Yeah.
You ready to take it back?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go.